Hi, I'm DeLeo with DeLeo Training, and I'm going to demonstrate the bird dog exercise for you. This is a great exercise to build and strengthen anterior stability, but also to improve motor control and cross-body patterning. So we're going to start off in a quadruped position. Toes are going to be tucked, knees are hip width apart, wrists are directly under the shoulders, maintaining a neutral spine, and eyes are going to be looking forward. So a couple things to think about during the setup. You want to make sure that you're pushing into the floor, all right? So that way we're engaged and activating our shoulders. And then also looking forward with our head, okay? Sometimes people's shoulders are up towards their ears, so tell them to shrug their shoulders and then anti-shrug, push them down toward their hips, okay? So we'll start off. We're going to extend right arm, left leg. Going to be long through the heel. Toes are pointed down to the ground. And then we're going to come back, brushing the floor. So we're looking to make sure that the hips are staying level, as well as the shoulders. Now you can progress this and make it more difficult by bringing the elbow and the knee touching in the center. Good. And then to make it even more difficult, you take a water bottle, place it horizontally across the lumbar spine, low back, and this will give the individual a little bit more feedback in case they're dropping their hips. So get set up. I got to maintain that water bottle in position. So I have to be much more mindful of my movement, and without even being coached, it forces me to slow down so I don't drop the water bottle. So, those are the bird dogs. Give those a try. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.